Alrighty, today we're gonna go over how to draw Venom, but he's gonna give you like he's gonna be smiling pretty much, just a regular old smile. He's not gonna have his tongue out or anything like that. So pretty cool. So very simple as well. So let's get started. Okay, gonna go over here, pull back for underneath the eye, curve up, down over here, out, down. Got that one eye. It can be flamey at the top. You can, maybe throw a little like extra, like it's made of fire or something like that here. But you don't have to do that stuff. We'll go over here to this side, pulling up. And this one's around the far end, up over here. Over here, out. Curve down. Line here. Line here. Okay, cool. Got that so far. Do a little flamey thing over here as well. It's supposed to be kind of attached to it, but I just did it on the outside. Gonna go here to the top. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna be posting throughout the year. It's gonna be creepy type of drawings. I want the channel to have like a tagline. So I'm gonna okay. So this is a tagline. Let me know if you like it. Okay, for the channel, it's gonna be the darker side of drawing. Spooky, scary. The darker side of drawing. I think it's cool. I'm gonna try to incorporate it into the channel somehow. So I'm gonna go over here, up, curve over, down over here, out, down, straight across over here, up over here, up. So I got that smile. Gonna go over here, down, down over here, down over here. It's just gonna be these tooth shapes, right? Essentially, they're almost always triangles, always. Over here, line up. All right, okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach these things to the gums, right? So I'm gonna go over here, curve, 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 right there. So we're showing the gum line. Right on. And let's go down here. We're gonna draw the lower lip. So it's gonna be maybe around the corner here. Lower lip. Right there in that smile. All right. Gonna go over here, draw the back of the head. I'm gonna curve down. Continue to curve straight over here. Over here. In. Line down here, the neck, out. Down, down over here, and then curve underneath, up. Out over here, up, down, 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 up, down. Curve underneath, 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 curve, curve, curve. Same thing with that gum, right? He's gonna have a big old smile. And then you can kind of wrap stuff around here, right? Wrap the edge of that smile over there. Curve line here. Line over here. And we're gonna draw big old traps because he has a huge traps, trapezius, which is basically a shoulder muscle. It looks so different without the tongue, right? Like he's just smiling. And we can draw some more lines here for detail, since I'm not gonna fill that in with black. because it would just kind of kill the drawing. So I'm just going to draw like curved lines here, curved lines here, curved lines all around here. Really just kind of emphasize that. Right, we draw these lines all over. Curved line over here for the Adam's apple. Down, 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 down. Alrighty. And that's it. That is Venom smiling. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, absolutely hit the like button. We live on like buttons. That's how the channel survives through the year, because it's just a seasonal channel. But I want to make this a creepy drawing channel throughout the year. And then in the seasons, I just do the seasonal stuff like Halloween and, you know, and then Christmas time, I'll do Christmas. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you do want to help out, absolutely donate. Everything goes to, I think I have the PayPal in the description. Every single thing goes to markers and to paper and to editing equipment and, you know, basically stuff for editing. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you next time. All right? See you soon. Stay spooky. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both. But like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.